Hello, friends. Movie and anime reviews. Theology. Philosophy. Mix them all up together in a gas-powered blender. And what do you get? Welcome to Reviews from the Pews, from the YouTube channel Between Two Pillars. Here, we enjoy discussing movies, anime, and other related media that many, including myself, have come to love. We use Christian theology, philosophy, psychology, and Catholic social teaching to gain a fuller and better understanding of the themes, characters, and stories for our reviews. I'm not a theologian, scholar, or clergyman, and I don't have a degree in film critique, yet. But I'm a God-loving, melancholic, anime-obsessing Aspie who has a keen interest in religion, animations, and movies, and would love to share that with all of you. Except for you, Admiral Jared Kane Fevre III. If there is actually such a person with that name, you're of course more than welcome too. Basing my formed yet subjective opinions on the solid, sound, and objective Christian foundations of faith, truth, and morality, yet doing so with charity, compassion, and understanding, I hope to offer a unique perspective in the film reviewing world. Reviews from the Pews is for not just Christians, but anyone of goodwill who has a deep love or interest in exploring the religious and philosophical themes which can be found in many animes and movies. If that sounds like you, then please subscribe, where you can expect 2 or 3 uploads per week, with reviews for shows such as Hey Arnold, Ghost Hound, and Mob Psycho 100, films such as The Impossible, Drifting Home, and Silent Voice. Oh, and by the way, I have a very long full name with 5 initials and a double last name, so to make it easier, you can just call me by my nickname, Kilo. It's very nice to meet you. I look forward to sifting through our favorite films and anime with you, while seeking the way, the truth, and the life. Please keep me in your prayers. And never forget that God loves you. Let's always remember to return that love to Him, now and forever. Godspeed.